Welcome guys to a brand new video. So today we're gonna be doing a mini review, well not a mini review but a few things that I bought. So if you want to know and see what looks I come up with these products, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what other makeup videos you want me to do. So yeah guys, let's get into the video. So I moisturize my face, my outer surface of my face. Sorry for the glare, like I don't know why it's like that. But so now I'm grabbing my primer and I'm just gonna use this in my nose area because I don't want to use the mirror from the back of the phone. So I'm gonna start off with my brows. Concealer, you know, my NYX concealer. Just gonna grab a little bit, not too much because I don't want too much product in my eyes, just because I've noticed that once I apply a lot of product, my brows, like not my brows but my eyeshadow starts breaking. See how nice and clean your eyebrow looks? Oh my god, I love, like, since I tried this eyebrow product, like I am literally in love with it. So that's one. Hey guys, so that's the two brows done, cleaned up. This eyeshadow color and like set our whole eyelid. It does have fallout, as you could tell. I don't know if you could tell, but it does have fallout, but the pigmentation, it's really good. So when I end there, you want to add this tape to the outer corner of your eye, like with this. We're gonna use this brown shadow. It does have a lot of fallout, you could tell. You see? Yes, hunty, what were you saying? The same thing to the other. And just add. Now we're gonna grab our angle brush, basically. And we're gonna play with some this color right here. So you're gonna grab that color. Look at that pigmentation. I just tapped, look, fallout. So we're gonna grab by grabbing the Morphe palette and grabbing the color. They have the same. So that's both eyes. It looks like you got a black eye, but I'm going with that, like, extra. So what I know, this is not good and kind of good, since I don't have makeup cleaner for brushes. I grab my these ones. This is so bad. And grab, just clean it up like that. It takes out the color. And it's good for another color. So that's the burgundy reddish. Now I'm going to grab a puff black. Not too much black because it's gonna like make it crazy. The black. And I don't plan this. I just do anything out of the bat. Like, that's just me. So now we're gonna grab, since we have purple black in the end, we're gonna grab a bright color for our lid. So we're gonna grab our concealer. Like a little bit, not a lot, because and I look up to see if I so that should be looking like that. So now I'm gonna grab my fluffy brush and I'm gonna grab a bright color. I'm gonna add this burgundy. Did I use that? I don't know what color should I do. Let's do purple. You guys can remove now your tape to have extra space. If you want. Some people don't like it. I'm gonna go in with this color and kind of grabbing it here in our kind of like putting it on top, but kind of like too harsh. Grab a napkin or a dry napkin. Gonna take out all the water that's in there. We're gonna use that chlorine wipe. Doesn't have water, and clean out the excess shadow that we have. Okay, once I do my wing, I go back in with another eyeliner. Right here. Grab this gel liner drugstore as well to kind of give it that matte look on my eyes. I grab a little bit, kind of put it on the top of that liner I just created. That black shadow with that burgundy shadow. I don't know extra large of what. So yeah guys, this is one eye done. Yes. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyes. Took me a while just because it came out a little bit off, but other than that, I like how this makeup look came out. Like, girl, just, you know, sometimes when you see something off, you kind of like add. But yeah guys, this is how my makeup look came out. So yeah guys, after all this, I'll give you, you know, I'm not changing outfits, I'm staying like this. Ow. So yes guys, so now we're gonna add a little bit more of this little cause I'm not going nowhere. Don't ever use those chlorine wipes because they're not for your face, they're too clean. But I just use like kind of damp, kind of burns. But right now we're gonna add our foundation, and I usually do one full pump and another full pump, so I'll have this much. It's thick. If you're oily, this like this, because I just move my hand, it moves, you see. But if you're gonna use this foundation, if you're oily skin, use a really good primer, because it doesn't work for us girls right now. I add less to my face, I mean to my, it's really bad, this foundation. It's not bad, it's just that kind of sucks with my skin tone. Kind of blend. So that's our foundation. Now we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna mix this one, put a little bit here to our nose, a little. Our E.L.F powder, finishing powder, just to kind of like set our under eyes and our whole foundation. And I grab this small brush. Okay, grab a little highlight, like start little by little. I know you, but that's just me. So you guys know. Okay guys, so I am done with this makeup. Like, damn, look at that glow. So yeah guys, hopefully you liked this makeup video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell. For every time I upload, you get notified when my videos are up, because YouTube be slacking sometimes, right? So other than that, see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.